During this lab, we used our physics skills to predict where a ping pong ball will fall off the table when rolled off a ramp at different angles.
We used these materials to set up our lab. We used a ping pong ball and rolled it down a ramp at 3 different angles, 15, 30, and 45 degrees.
We used a protractor to make sure our angles were exact. On the first day of the lab, the goal was to record the distances across the table, which was 0.84 meters across the table, and we recorded the time the ball took to roll across that distance.
To calculate the horizontal velocity of the ping pong ball, we used the equation V = d over t.
We completed 3 trials per angle, so in all we recorded 9 trials.
The average time for the 3 ramps were 0.8 seconds, 0.6 seconds, and 0.5 seconds respectively. We used these 3 equations to calculate the velocities for each trial.
We found that the horizontal velocities were 1.05 meters per second, 1.4 meters per second, and 1.68 meters per second.
On day 2, we calculated the time that the ping pong ball would take to drop in freefall and the horizontal distance it would travel. The height of the table was 0.65 meters.
The acceleration due to gravity is 9.8 meters per second squared.
Now, plug this in and solve for the time.
This is how we calculated the time. First, we took the equation and we simplified the 2 times 0.65 meters. Then, we divided the 1.3 meters by the 9.8 meters per second squared to get 0.13 seconds squared. Then, we took the square root of that to find that the time it took to drop was 0.36 seconds.
Using this equation, we found the distance that each ball would travel.
0.40 for the 15 degree, 0.51 for the 30 degree, 0.54 for the 45 degree.